every year, I want to tell you the 6 lab tests that you should try as much as you can to always carry out in your body. Very important. The 6 tests that is very important, at least most important. There are so many other ones that are important, but these few ones I want to mention, they are really important for you to just make sure that your body is working properly. All right, you can still add others, but just take note of these ones. Number 1 is the full blood count, to know how your blood count is, to make sure everything is normal. The number of the leukocytes, the number of the red blood cells and all of them, all the white blood cells and the rest of, just to make sure everything is okay, to make sure there is no abnormality. The number 2 is liver function test, to be sure your liver is functioning properly, so that in case there is any issue, treatment will be commenced immediately. Okay. Number 3 is kidney function test, of course, to make sure your kidneys are functioning in their optimum level, the way they should function, to make sure there is nothing wrong going on in your kidneys. Okay. The next one is thyroid function test. This is to check your thyroid gland, to make sure that everything is functioning well, so that you will not be developing any form of hormonal imbalance, because your thyroid is in charge of your hormones. Yes, that's the organ. Understand? So you need it to make sure it is functioning well. The next, again, you need to test is your bone profile, to make sure there is no issue going on in your bones, to make sure the calcium levels are okay, everything is normal in your bone. So this test is very important. Don't take it for granted. It's called bone profile. All right. Now, if you are a man, especially if you are a man above 40 years old, try to do this number 6. It is called prostate specific antigen. That's how to check the health of your prostate gland, to make sure everything is well with it, to make sure it is not growing bigger, to make sure there is nothing wrong going on with your prostate gland, so that if there is anything, proper treatment will start. The treatment can be in form of food management, your dietary lifestyle management, to make sure that you're eating the right things. If it is to stop some specific foods that are affecting you, you will stop it, or anything at least. That's why if you check it, you'll be sure. This is how. So if you're a man of above 40 years old, 40, 50 and the rest of and above, make sure you do this particular test every day. No, every year. Not every day. You can't do it every day. You understand? It will help you to detect any form of abnormality, and by God's grace, you will be able to treat it, whether naturally or medically, anyhow, maybe with food, your water and the rest of them. So I hope this information is useful to you. Thank you.